Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with Remax up in Big Bear. Today I am going to walk you through this doll baby house on this great lot up above the village. Come check it out. Just a look at it. Is that not the perfect little cabin in the woods? We are up on Oriole, right off of Oak Street. So this is going to be a dead-end street. So if you go all the way up to the top of the street, you will get to the National Forest. We're going to be looking at a 2-bed, 1-bath, 480 square foot home on a 4,850 square foot lot. So just 10% of the home they're taking up. This is going to be the property line. And just so you know, you're allowed to take up to 60% of the lot line or the lot measurement. So that is a whole lot more house you could add. And here's going to be the other lot line at that fence part. It's going to come all the way out to the street. I actually see the marker right there. So let's look at all these beautiful trees on the property. And you've got a dirt driveway, but such a large lot that it really feels private because your neighbor over here, they're set back right over there. So they're definitely not on top of you. Cute little drawbridge to be able to walk across. So much land to do so much with. And so this one is actually owned and listed by Hogg, the realtor. Cute colors, everything is done up nicely. Green and black is a color pattern that I haven't actually really seen up here, and it does wonders for the home. It is so cute. So let's go inside to the front door and check it out. Okay, so here we are entering into the living room. This home was built in 1949. So definitely, like, you can see signs of that in the ceiling, the walls, things like that. But they have done a lot of work to this house, and I can tell you it feels really great on the inside. So we do have laminate, nice hardwood floors, very open living room with a nice little sitting area right here. If it were me, I'd probably do a little dining area right here and kind of make it a living room and a dining room. But it's got all this great quality paneling on just the lower half wainscoting of the walls. I like that they have the drywall up top. And real quick, I want to point out this guy. You see him? We're not finished with him yet because he goes all the way through. That's really cute. And you could also do a wraparound couch right here and then do a dining room right here. You've got a ton of options. And we've got our fire stove right here. This one's just gonna be, it's gas operated. You can see the gas lines in the back. But it's going to be a faux fireplace, so not going to be burning real wood in there. And then we've got the kitchen. I guess you technically could put something right here for dining room. You could also, if you wanted to, we've got a nice stainless steel fridge, but I think you could also make this bigger if you wanted to. It's got more than enough room. And we've got butcher block counters, stainless steel Forno oven, really pretty brand new. Cabinetry, let's see. It's kind of basic, clean though. And then this one is on wheels. This cabinet is on wheels to be able to move for attic access. This is great storage. The attic ladder is in the utility room. So that is an image of the attic. And that's what it looks like. And that is the access panel for it. And here's the other side of the kitchen. I mean, this would be really good for a vacation rental just because it's cute and cozy for 2 to 4 people. Nice floating shelves, just very simple. I'm gonna back up and just show you the first bedroom really quick, right here. And I'm gonna pan up. We do have storage up here as well. Not sure what you would want to keep in there, but here is bedroom number 1. Simple and cozy and just everything you really need. They painted the wainscoting to kind of make it look a little bit bigger in here. We're looking at a double bed in here and then just a little end table. But it's just, I mean, it's warm, it's cozy, it's clean, it's cute. It's all you really need if all you're really going to do is sleep in here. So not much as far as closet space goes. I mean, you could just bring in your suitcase, leave it in the bedroom. They did a good job with like the updated lighting all throughout the house too. Just, you can tell everything's been touched and loved on. So here we have what appeared to be an addition from the back part of the house. I'm going to look at it again once we go out this door. But this is bedroom number 2. You're really not going to get much more of a bigger bed right here than this twin bed. You could possibly try a double. Probably not going to be able to get it. It might go out past that door unless you just wanted to get rid of the door, and that's fine too. Got sliding barn doors. I like that they have these instead of normal doors because it would just be a lot of doors going on right here. So got raw wood on these. And then the bathroom. So here we have the bathroom. We've got granite quartz countertop. Beautiful sink. This is actually super cute. I like how that was done. Slow close. White beadboard down below. Double mirrors. Hooks. Toilet. Let's check out this shower. They do have a beautiful kind of gray hazy tiled shower. And then a cast iron tub. So they really did clean that up. It's nice. I think they probably kept the original tub and then just tiled and put trim all around it to clean it up. Now let's see what is outside. I thought this looked like an addition. No, this was the addition. Okay, so this is just like a utility room. And there's no light that is working. We do have our water heater right here. So this is just gonna be, I would probably update it to tankless. This was the back of the house right here. And they just did this little extension right here just to be able to go outside. You could also use it as a closet. It's definitely not insulated or kind of finished off in this area, but it's cute, it's cozy, it's everything you need. You could potentially put laundry out here too. Just a nice little extra space that you could have. And then we'll go outside just so you can see the surrounding area. So you can see where that was added on. But wow, so much more you could add to it. Roof is in perfect shape. It almost looks new. Super clean. I do want to check the windows to let you know if the windows are, these are going to be single paned. You can tell from back here. Yeah, single pane windows. Do have a rock foundation with a little build-up area right here. Here's the pipe for the gas coming in. Super clean, guys. I think you're gonna love it. And the price on this one is $329.9. So I think she priced that real well. This is cute. I mean, you're not getting that price on too much on a big lot in Bear Lake. So just minutes to the village. Let me know if you want to check it out. Talk to you soon. Bye.